What a beautiful day here in Geelong, Moolap. We have Shayne 6 metre offshore. It's going to Cairns. It's going to hit the waters offshore from Cairns. Shayne's a bit of a diver, a bit of fishing, a bit of everything, a bit of entertaining, and what a beautiful boat it is. What we're seeing lately is a lot of divers coming to us, doing some serious diving coming to us, so you'll see a fair few bash plates going on these boats lately, and also our custom ladders. Have a good look at our custom ladder. It's specifically designed for our divers, so there's no impediment when they drop in the water. Magnificent piece of equipment, and let me tell you, worth every cent. One of the main things that I like that Shayne's gone for is trim tabs. A very misunderstood, very important part of the boat in my opinion. It just gives you control, further control, and allows you to manoeuvre your boat. It allows you to drive your boat, especially through choppy and rougher seas, with a lot more control. What a beautiful engine the 300 Verado is by Mercury. 4.6 V8. Beautiful engine, nice and smooth, plenty of horsepower. A big congratulations to Shayne. Thank you very much, mate. A very special boat. Congratulations, all the best, and hope you enjoy your fishing